Practice problem 3, same thing. Highlight the x-axis. We are reflecting over this red line. Let me change to different colors. So I'm going to start with D. D is 2 spaces away, so I count 1, 2, D prime. C is also 2 spaces away, so I count 1, 2, C prime. B is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces above the red line, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces below the red line for B prime. And A is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces above, so I count 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces below. Carefully connect. These lines are straight, and then the other lines will be slanted. So here is our reflection. We just flipped it right on over. And now we need to record all of these coordinates. The hard part is A, B, C, D. And then we're just going to remember that the x's will be the same, and the y's will become their opposites. So let's see if you found these. A is in quadrant 2, so we have a negative x, negative 1, positive y at 4. A prime, x is the same, y is its opposite. B prime, quadrant 1, everything positive, it's at 5, 4. That was B, not B prime. I'm not sure if I said that wrong. B prime, x is going to stay the same. Y is going to become its opposite. For C, also in quadrant 1, it's at 2, 2. For C prime, x stays the same, and y becomes its opposite. And for D, it's at negative 4, 2. For D prime, x stays the same at negative 4. Y becomes its opposite, negative 2. One more practice problem.